Right, we got a caravan, wheelchair caravan. Shock mount broke off. So we're gonna try and fabricate this somehow like that and weld it. Show you the after. All nice, clean, much as we could. Bracket, that's the bracket. Cleaned all the corners. Fit just like that. And welded. Alright. Bracket all welded on nice. Back, the front, top. Same this side. Yeah, that's how she looks. And the end result. Happy customer voice.